That's the way things played out yesterday. So what's your outlook for the trading day ahead, given the kind of performance we've seen filter through this week?
Thank you very much, Alishia. I want to believe good. Based on what we've seen this week, market has actually rallied to some extent. ASI has actually gained plus or minus 0.9 this week. We are likely going to see the market slowing down gradually. I think it's getting to a point that will start, actually in the course of the week we saw some element of profit taking. That will continue today, and that might actually slow down activities somehow.
Well, in terms of news flow on a broader basis, we've got 58 brokerages suspended on the one hand. On the other, a new CEO at the NSE being appointed. Looking at the net effect of these two occurrences, what's sentiment and confidence levels like around market supervision right now?
Based on what we have seen, the suspension of almost 60 brokerage firms, it actually points to the fact that regulators they've woken up seriously and they are ready to do the work. And the incoming of a new DG to the exchange, I want to believe it's likely we're going to see reinforcement of the reform that kicked off a couple of months ago. Is likely to continue where the interim administrator will eventually stopped. So we are going to see a smooth change of pattern, as that is expected, and actually on the long run, an improvement in the market. As regards the suspended houses, I think that might be a kickoff for merger talk among brokerage firms. We're likely going to see that.
In the meantime, it should have quite an impact on volumes and trading activity, as it would have normally played out on the bourse. Has activity slowed from your end as well, waiting for volumes to pick up, or are you actively engaging in the market right now?
Yeah, we are actively engaged in the market, and I think NSE actually probably envisaging the effect it will have on volume on activities. They've actually opened that window for suspended houses to direct their trades to houses that are actually in operation right now. So net, they've actually been able to balance the effect that will have been on the market.
Well, we've seen the banking sector rally more than 12% in the first 2 weeks of this trading year. What's your view on this space? Momentum still seems to be there given yesterday's performance.
Whether we like it or not, that's still the most active, sector in the market. Lots of opportunities, most especially, looking at the bailout banks, the fact that they are becoming healthy, as it were, right now. Attention is being focused on them, and even the mid-tier banks, couple of, there are still opportunities in that sector. So we're still going to see more activities, and looking at liquidity, that is where investors can actually play, and the short-term end of the market, and probably be able to make, a reasonable return.